I was born and raised in the little town of Kibungan, in the mountains of Benguet, Ayamakan, Kanay. When we say sigad, that means good, that means beautiful, that means truthful. Ket mamati ang nakayat yu, nano i-describe da, no anya ti leadership brand you, ket something na konektado iti ko namin nga sigad. You and I are leaders, correct? Not just because you're elected, but because you are leading yourself, your family, and your community. And now that you're elected, then the expectation is way much higher. The challenge for you and me is this: communicate your leadership in a sigad way. And what is sigad? Something beautiful, something truthful, something that is good. Yes? Ibagayuman sigad.